Kindness is a virtue, both in life and in your vehicle. When you drive with care every day, your car will reward you with less required maintenance. Try these Tipton tips each time you get behind the wheel. When turning your steering wheel, don't hold it at extreme right or left position. If you reach the end of travel or when you feel your wheel lock, back off a little bit. Holding it in that locked position puts unnecessary tension on all of the front end parts, and those components are expensive. Backing off the turn will help them last longer. Consolidate your short driving trips. Most of the wear and tear, as well as pollution your car generates, takes place in the first few minutes of driving. Doing several errands at once, during low traffic hours if possible, will help keep your engine happier longer. Don't race your car's engine during startup. That's a quick way to add years of wear to your engine, especially if it's cold outside. Don't immediately start driving once you turn the key either. You wouldn't pull yourself off the couch and immediately start running, right? Same concept. All those parts under your hood need just a brief moment to get going. The pause theory applies to killing the engine also. When you park your vehicle, take time to unbuckle your seatbelt and gather your things before shutting off the engine. That gives your engine time to settle down after all that driving. This is particularly true of today's turbocharged engines, which keep spinning even after you've stopped. Keep these tips in mind to help your vehicle run smooth. When it does need a bit of maintenance, schedule an appointment online at tiptonford.com or the Ford Pass app. It's fast, easy, and convenient. Be sure to follow us on social too for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.